Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Cub Cadet GT3200 that I picked up a little while back. If you can remember, we were having an issue with the steering on it. Didn't want to track straight. It was wobbling all over the place, so let's see if we can diagnose what's wrong with it and see if we can't fix it. Alright y'all, if you remember the last time, in the last video, I showed that I mowed and the lines were like way crooked and everything. I think I figured out what's wrong with it. I thought it was the cylinder, maybe had a little leak in it and letting the pressure bleed off and stuff, but if you watch right there, see that tie rod's moving and the bolt's moving there and the head of the bolt's moving, but then also down here, I know the light sucks, it looks like that tie rod is moving also, so that would create a lot of play in the steering. So see if we can grab some wrenches and stuff and see if we can't tighten that stuff up. Alright y'all, grab me a couple wrenches here. This top nut is a 3/4 and underneath there's a hex place to put a wrench, and it's 11/16. So let's see if we can get our wrench turned the right way here. Maybe. Hey, grab you a good wrench. Let me grab another ratchet and we'll be right back. Alright y'all, put that old Craftsman wrench in the needs replaced box and grab me a J.H. Williams. It's called the Super Ratchet. Going old school. So, alright. Oh, yeah. That tightened right up. Let's see if we can get on this bottom one down here now. I did grab an extension. So, wow. Wow. That was almost a full turn loose. Alright, now let me grab that steering wheel and see what she does now. Now it just looks like it looks like there's a little play in this here. I don't know if there's a keyway or something in it, but and the end of the cylinder looks like it might have some play in the other end. So, I don't know how that mounts back there. I'll have to get down there and find out. So, yeah, where it mounts on the frame back there is loose too. So, let me get up underneath there and we'll check to see what we need to tighten that end up. All right, y'all. You guys can see the movement in that. That end's loose too, so it's going to be pretty difficult to get up in there and a couple wrenches and see if I can't get that tightened up. I don't know if I'll be able to video it or not. I'll try to get the camera set up, but I can't guarantee anything, so I'm going to grab some wrenches and we'll see if we can't get that tightened up. Alright y'all, I don't know if you guys can see that bracket back in here well enough. I can't get a wrench up in there on the nut that's on the back side. So I think I'm going to have to take the bracket itself loose. There are welded nuts on the inside. So, yeah. So let me get those loose and get them out of there. And we'll see if we can't get that tightened up that way. If a socket on the back side or something, or a box end. I tried putting a box end up in the back side, but the bolt almost, the stud from this ball joint here almost touches the frame. So, alright, let me get that tightened up or loosened up and we'll see if we can't get her out of there. Alright y'all, upon further investigation, those are not welded nuts on the back side of that bracket. They are just regular nuts. So I can't get to them because they're like recessed back in the frame sorta. I'm gonna have to take the deck off to do that. So I've got some mowing to do, so I think I'm gonna try it and see how bad it steers, see if it you know, cleaned it up any, which it had to have. So we'll come back to you and let you know how it did after we mow, and then once we get the mowing and stuff done and we can have the tractor down for a little while, we can tighten them up. So alright, let me go do the mowing and we'll bring y'all back. Well, that definitely helped tightening that up. She got a little straighter. Sure hope Jason from Pate's Performance don't see this and get really jealous. So, alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm trying to keep the videos shorter for y'all, basically so you'll watch the whole thing. Please watch to the end. It really helps with the analytics. The more watch time it gets, the more YouTube will produce or promote it. I'm sorry, not produce, but promote it. So you'll have to watch for the next video. I'll show how we tighten up the end of that cylinder mount, and we're going to pull the deck off, get a good cleaning, sharpen the blades. I'll show you how to take the deck off and get the blades off. And yeah, appreciate y'all watching, hanging out. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Check out our Sunday live streams at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in. We talk about everything. You got questions about mowers and tractors and garden tractor pulling and stuff like that, we usually have a pretty good panel. We can usually answer all the questions. So again, thank you all for watching, and we're going to try to catch you on the next time. Oh, and also, little heads up on the future videos, we're going to start building the frame and the chassis for the Polar Express tractor. So keep an eye out for that one. Thank y'all. Catch you on the next one.